Okay, hi everyone. Let's discuss your homework. Okay, the first one, 9.2 divided by 2. 9.4. So you write 9.4 divided by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. The balance is 1. Check. Make sure your balance is smaller than the number divided. Bring down the next number 4. 7 times 2 is 14. And then make sure you put your decimal point. Okay, question B. 3.27 divided by 3. 1 times 3, 3. Balance is 0, so nothing to write here. Bring down the next number. 0 times 3 is 0. Balance is 2. Check whether it is smaller. Bring down the last number 7. 9 times 3, 27. Remember your decimal point. Okay, 2 decimal places. So here you also put 2 decimal places. So the answer is 1.09. Okay, for C, 17.25 divided by 5. 3 times 5, 15. Balance is 2. Check. Make sure it is smaller. Bring down the 2. 4 times 5, 20. Balance is 2. Check. Bring down the 5. 5 times 5, 25. So 17.25 divided by 5, we get 3.45. Okay, question D. 36.108 divided by 9. We start from the second number because 3 is too small, so we use 36. So you write your answer above the 6. 4 times 9, 36. Balance is 0, so bring down the 1. 0 times 9 is 0. Okay, because we cannot put 1. If you put 1, 1 times 9 is 9, it becomes too big. So 0 times 9 is 0, balance is 1. Bring down the 0. Here we can put 1. 1 times 9 is 9. We have a balance of 1. Check, make sure it's smaller. Then bring down the last one, 8. 2 times 9 is 18. So, and then your decimal point over here. Okay, so this is 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places. Okay, question E. Now what divided by 8, you get this. Okay, if I give you this question, what divided by 2 is 3? Okay, what's the answer? What divided by 2 is 3? Okay, that's right. It's 6. Now, how do you get 6? You take 3 times 2. Then you get 6. So you times the last two numbers. Okay, you times the last two numbers. So 5.634 times 8. Okay, 8 times 4, 32. Write a 3 here. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Write a 2. 8 times 6, 48. 48 plus 2, 50. Write your 5 here. 8 times 5, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. This is 3 decimal places. That means 3 numbers, then only you dot. So 3 numbers, then only I put my decimal point. So 5.634 times 8, you get 45.072. Okay, question F, same thing here, we times 10. Now this is 10, 100, 1000, so we just move the decimal point. So 0.76, when we times, we move the decimal point to the right. Bila darab, titik gerak ke kanan. So gerak berapa kali? Sekali, sebab 10. So one time you move to the right, becomes here. So this one, when you move, this is no longer here. So the answer is 7.6. Okay, G. Now, don't let the location of the answer box confuse you. This over here is 60.9 divided by 100 equals the answer box. It's the same. These two are the same. This, the answer box is on your right. This, the answer box is on your left. So don't be confused by the location of the answer box, okay? So you just do 60.9 divided by 100. So divide, bahagi, titik gerak ke kiri. So 60.9, you move 2 times because 2 zeros, okay? 2 kosong di sini, so gerak 2 kali ke kiri. 1, 2, titik. Depan mesti ada kosong. Okay, so this decimal point is no longer here. So the answer is 0.609. Okay, 0.609. Okay, H. Alright, so this kind of question will appear in your exam. Okay, if I make it simpler, for example, 10 equals what divided by 2. Okay, in other words, it is the same as what divided by 2 equals 10. So what divided by 2 equals 10, you just have to times the last two numbers. So 10 times 2 is 20. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So this is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So in other words, you can take these two numbers, the first and the last number, and then you just times them. Okay? So 2.803, you times 1,000. 2.803, you times 1,000. So 3 zeros, you have to move 3 times. Okay, gerak 3 kali ke kanan. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point is no longer here. Oops. Okay, never mind. So this is 2,803, right? The answer is 2,803. Okay, because it times 1,000, 3 zeros, you move the decimal point 3 times to the right. Okay, so one more. Okay, question 2. Find the quotient of 13.5 divided by 6. So I told you quotient is the hasil bahagi. Hasil bahagi. So 13.5 divided by 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Balance is 1. Check, make sure it's smaller. And then you bring down the 5. 2 times 6 is 12. Balance is 3. Check, make sure it's smaller. Okay, now you have a balance of 3. So what do? Okay, this is decimal point. For decimal point and for ringgit, you can always add extra 0 behind. Okay, tambah kosong di belakang and then bring down the 0. So now it becomes 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, so your 13.5 divided by 6, you get 2.25. Oh yes, remember your point. Okay, there's a point here, you point here. Same row. Sama baris titik here. Okay. Next, we have to solve some problems. Okay. Alright, Shok Yuki's. Yuki's score is 0.341 more than Iza's score. What is Iza's score? So this is Yuki's score 23.191. So Iza has lesser or more? Iza has lesser. Yuki's score is more. Iza's score is lesser. So to make the number lesser, you have to minus 0.341. So you take Yuki's score 23.191 and then you minus the difference 0.341. Okay, Yuki's score minus the difference. Alright, you have learned your minus. Arrange accordingly to the place value. Okay, ones over here, tens over here. This is 10 per 10, this is 100 per 100, this is 1000 per 1000. Your decimal point, make sure it is all in the same row. Then you get your answer. Question 2. Year 4 Angrid collected 9 piles of old newspaper. Each pile is 8.5 kg. So one pile is 8.5 kg and they collected 9 piles. So calculate the total mass. So 9 times 8.5 kg. Okay, 1 is 8.5, 9, how many? So this one is becoming bigger, can you see? 1 to 9, it becomes bigger. So to become bigger, you need to times. So 9 times 8.5, 9 times 5, 9 times 8, then you get 76.5. Remember to write your kg, okay? No kg, no marks. Okay, Puan Nurin has 2.52 meters of lace. The length of the lace is enough for 6 pairs of shirts or 6 pairs of L size or 8 pairs of M size. How many meters of lace is used for 1 pair of L size shirt? So what is given here is the length of lace 2.52 meters and it can make a total of 6 pairs. Okay, 2.52 meter boleh buat 6 helai baju L size. So, dia nak tanya 1. What is the length for 1? So, you just divide 6. Okay, 2.52 meter divided by 6. Okay, like what we did just now, you divide, make sure you write your meters. So, each pair is 0.42 meters. Okay, now you try the exercises. Okay, there are 3 A, B and C, and A you have 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is your homework for today. Okay, solve the problems. It can be plus, minus, or multiply or divide. Okay, there are 4 operations involved here. So you have to read the question carefully. Underline the keyword, right? For example, this one, total. You see the word total, you know what to do, right? Share, when you kongsi, share equally, you know what to do, right? Total again, okay? Each person has to pay. All these are keywords, so you need to underline the keywords and then you solve the problem. Okay, so please do your homework and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.